It's badged as a 454, but it has a 350 motor in it. Does have a ding right here. Paint is presentable. Not a show car, but presentable. Sounds great. Trunk is solid. Original GM stampings on the quarters. Dual exhaust. Power steering. As far as the front brakes are concerned, let's see here. They are disc. Glass looks good. Looks like door panels were replaced at one time. Bucket seats, 4-speed manual. Upgraded radio. Financing and delivery is available. You can call me or text me at 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars, where we have over 150 hand-picked cars available. You can check them all out at mgmclassiccars.com. Again, you can call or text financing and delivery questions or any questions to 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching.